Hi, this is Jerome Joseph, live in Bangalore. I'm here working with a global MNC. In my workshop that I was running, I had a very interesting group. I had very senior leaders, and half of the senior leaders had doctorates, PhDs. But what really impressed me about this workshop, and I want to share this with you, is as I started sharing concepts and theories about branding, I realized that there was this immense hunger to learn new things. Often I've run workshops around the world, and as you know, I've spoken in 34 countries. And sometimes you go in a workshop, you're someone who thinks they know it all, who thinks that, why do I need to be here? Why am I wasting my time? Why do I want to learn new things? I'm very comfortable with where they are. But one of the things I learned about this group, and I observed in this group, is this hunger for knowledge, and not just a hunger for knowledge, the need to be uncomfortable. I remember one of them talking to me and saying, Jerome, I got a PhD, I'm top of my game, I'm top of my class, I'm top of my, in this business. But I want to learn, and I want to keep learning every day, because when I stop learning, that's when I stop growing. So my message to you is this: when it comes to your personal brand, please do not be comfortable. I want you to continuously work on growing and building your brand continuously. And it's not just personal brands, but also your product brands, organizational brands. You cannot be comfortable, because comfort never produced greatness. You got to keep working and working and working to grow and build your world-class brand. Never be comfortable. Always be hungry. My name is Jerome Joseph, and I wish you success in building your world-class brand.